Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand and welcome back to our YouTube channel Vastranand, and you received a very pretty collection, affordable price point and luxurious material. We can visit our website www.vastranand.in. In today's episode I will show you the Banarasi Katan silk material saree, different elegance with a purely golden zari weaves in entire the body parts. The saree you received at just ₹999, budget friendly products, affordable price point, luxurious fabric and free shipping. Understand, right? ₹999, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and you can download our application Android and iOS device. Let's start the video. First product you received the very pretty, my personal favorite, matching with my shirt, wine color combination with a Sona Chandi fusions. Look at the beauty of this entire body with a silver zari weaves, the Bali patterns in entire body parts with a golden zari checks pattern in odd even style. In entire body parts you receive the Sona Chandi fusions with a ratapad border in both sides of the saree part. Let me show you the full look of the saree with a golden zari weaves the rich pallu. Here you can see the golden zari weaves the rich pallu with a very pretty, my personal favorite, wine color combination. Here you can see the Sona Chandi effect in entire the body part. Let me show you the softness of the saree. Here you can see easy to carry, easy to grab, this premium quality cotton silk saree. Here you can see the fill foil of the saree, easy to pleated, the premium quality Banarasi cotton silk saree. This premium quality, lightweighted, affordable product you receive just ₹999, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the wine color combination, plain blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like G.I.D., share G.I.D., subscribe G.I.D., our YouTube channel, and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND, and you can connect our customer care executive number 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. And if you need to see our wild collection range, more than 4,500 plus designs via video call, then video call facility also available in our customer care executive number. So one day before you can book your video call facility slot in our customer care executive number. Let's start the second product. Here you can see the very pretty, the green with a peach color combination. Green color is symbol of this purity and natural color combination with a green with a peach color combination, pastel color range with a darker color combination, chala super the color combination with the same Banarasi cotton silk saree. Here you can see the both side you receive the same size border with ratapad style. Middle parts you receive the satin bantex border with a green color combination, minakari detailing and golden zari buttas in entire the body part. This saree also you receive the ₹999, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available. Additional cost. Here you can see the peach color combination rich pallu with the golden zari weaves. Here you can see the green color combination with the golden zari buttas in entire the body parts with the Banarasi soft cotton silk material. The saree you received at just ₹999, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost with peach color combination, plain blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at vastranand.in.